Strategies for God's Mission for the week of Sunday, March 8th. Please see the print and e-newsletters, allen-temple.org, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and the Courtyard and Family Life Center lobby ministry tables for details on the following events and more. It's the Lenten season, and we invite you to join us on our journey to the cross by reflecting on our weekly Lenten meditations. To read the meditations, visit allen-temple.org, or to have the meditations delivered to your email, go to the e-newsletter tab on the church website and subscribe. We also invite you to join us for Lenten-focused Bible studies on Thursdays at 12 noon and 7 p.m. in the Family Life Center Mary Morris Room. Tomorrow, Monday, March 9th, join us for delicious food and an evening of cool jazz featuring the Allen Temple Connection Band benefiting the Betty D. Gatling Fine Arts Academy. Doors and dinner concessions open at 6 p.m. Session begins at 7 p.m. Tickets may be purchased at the door. Young people are invited to join us for Children's and Youth Bible Study this Wednesday, March 11th at 6:30 p.m. in the Family Life Center Mary Morris Room. Classes are held for children ages 5 to 11 and for youth ages 12 to 17. Bring the young people in your life to learn and grow in the Word. Young people aged 6 to 16 are invited to come out for Friday Night Live on Friday, March 20th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., presented by the Children's and Youth Ministries. Enjoy games, arts, crafts, food, and fellowship. Invite your friends to have fun with us. Make plans to join the Leadership Institute at Allen Temple to enjoy a delicious crab dinner, entertainment, raffle, and silent auction on Saturday, March 21st at their 6th annual benefit crab feed. To purchase tickets, visit the Family Life Center lobby after Sunday worship. These were your strategies for God's mission for the week of Sunday, March 8th. Please govern yourselves accordingly, read your print and e-newsletters, and visit allen-temple.org and the Courtyard and Family Life Center lobby ministry tables after worship for more events and activities for people of all ages and opportunities to serve. Join the conversation on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. View live and archived worship services on live stream and remain prayerful for the success of each ministry and event.